In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get new app users on Temu quickly and easily in 2025. We'll walk through each step together so that by the end, you'll be well on your way to expanding your user base. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open the Temu app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure it's installed and updated to the latest version. This ensures you have all the newest features and improvements that can help you bring in new users. Once you have the app open, you'll need to sign up or log in. If you're already a member, just enter your login details and proceed to your account. If you're new to Temu, it's quick to sign up. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready in no time. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to head to your profile. You can usually find this by tapping on the icon that represents your account, typically located in the top corner of the interface. Once you're in your profile, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options available, as this will be crucial later on. Next, look for the option to select country and region. It's essential to set this to the United States if it isn't already. Aligning your profile with the US region helps you access specific features and promotions that are tailored to this market, which can be particularly advantageous depending on your target audience. With your country set, it's time to explore the rewards section. Navigate to Win Reward, which is where the magic happens. Here, Temu offers a variety of incentive programs that not only benefit you, but also make the app more attractive to new users. Take a good look at what's available so you can make the most informed choice. Moving on, you'll want to pick the free gifts you are interested in joining. These are part of Temu's strategy to entice new members. Selecting a gift can serve as a talking point or a lure when recommending the app to others, making it more appealing and giving you an edge when marketing Temu to new users. Finally, you'll see the option to click on Refer New App New User. This is the key feature that lets you start bringing new people to Temu. Utilizing referral codes or links is one of the most efficient ways to expand your app's user base, often leading to rewards for both you and the new user. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can start attracting new users to Temu quickly and effectively. Keep practicing these techniques, and soon you'll see your user base grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.